Hi, my name is Jess, and I just got done riding the Blizzard Black Pearl 88s. This is definitely a good all-mountain ski. It prefers the front side, even though it's got that 88 underfoot, making it able to definitely go do some side country, a little bit of back country if you want. It's not the most stable ski out there on the market right now. It's definitely stiff, but not really heavy. So if you want something to kind of keep you a little more grounded, this isn't going to be great for you. But if you want something that's light, easy to get around, and make your own moves on, this will be a good ski for you.